welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your snowboard photographer business. If you are a snowboard photographer, then manually handling all the bookings and pricing related inquiries can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will respond to all of these inquiries and book shoots automatically on WhatsApp itself. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for snowboard photography business. Before we begin the process of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message first. So here I'm going to send a general message like hello. And the chatbot responds with, "Hey, I'm your snowboard photography assistant. What would you like to do today?" And it has provided us with 3 options: my portfolio, book a shoot, and check pricing. So I'm going to select the first one. And it responds me with, "Here's my snowboard photography portfolio." And it has provided us with a clickable link. Next, I'm going to select the second option that says book a photo shoot. Let's book your shoot. Please reply with the following info, and it is asking me for the date of the shoot. So here I'm going to send a general date, and next it asks me for the location. So here I'm going to send a dummy response. Thanks for the details. I have noted your request for a snowboard shoot as the given date and the given location. I'll confirm availability and get back to you shortly. Feel free to ask anything else in the meantime. So I'm going to click on the last option that says check my pricing. And it responds me with, my photography pricing, half-day session $250 and full-day session $400. Customized packages available too. So this is how I have created my snowboard photographer chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To create this chatbot, we have to visit the Pabbly Chatflow's website, and to do that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next, we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up, we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here, you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up, we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up, we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So we are going to name it something more relevant like WhatsApp Chatbot for Snowboard Photographer. On the screen, you can see there is a Flow Start feature. under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which are going to activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression, and it is a special pattern of characters which will help us by activating the chatbot with any keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Here we also have an option to choose template. When you click on it, you will get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. If you want to know how to create template message, you can check the link in the description box. Once we are done with the basic setup, you can start curating your first message with the help of this text button option. Here I am going to write a welcome message, such as this one. Our message will look like this to the user. Hey, I'm your snowboard photography assistant. What do you want to do today? Here I have added these two little star signs because it will make our message appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable and professional. Here with the help of this add button option, I'm going to add some quick reply options, such as my portfolio. Next up, I'm going to add book a photo shoot, and lastly, I'm going to give an option of check my pricing. Once we are done creating our first message, I'm going to create a response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with view my portfolio. So again, here I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add. Our message will look like this. Here's my snowboard photography portfolio, and here's a provided clickable link. Next up, we are going to move ahead with book a photo shoot. And for this, I'm going to access the action type nodes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. I'm going to place it here, and here I'm going to add, let's book your shoot. Please reply with the following info. First one is date. And here we have an option to select contact custom field. To select contact custom field, you need to create one first. If you want to create contact custom field, you can check the link in the description box. Once you're done with creating your contact custom field, you can select it from the drop down. Here I'm going to select time, and as format, I'm going to select any. And then I'm going to link it with the corresponding quick reply. Next up, I'm going to add another question box. And here I'm going to ask location. Here I've added this message. Let's book your shoot. Please provide with the following info, location. As contact custom field, I'm going to select add, and as format, I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to link it to the question box. Next, I'm going to send a confirmation message with the help of text button. Here I have added the details, and our message will look like this. Thanks for the details. I have noted your request for a snowboard shoot as $time. Time was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual date and time sent by the user. Similarly, location was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure it gets replaced by the actual details sent by the user. I'll confirm availability and get back to you shortly. Feel free to ask anything else in meantime. Once we are done with the second response, we are going to move on to the last one. And again, here I'm going to access the text button. Here I've added my details, and our message will look like this. My photography pricing, half-day session $250 and full-day session $400. Custom packages available too. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for snowboard photography business. We have created this chatbot easily with the help of Pabbly Chatflow by accessing all of its features easily. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you're done creating your flow, you can save it from here. And once your flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.